Hello dear students. So hope you all are doing well and you are going through all the problems what we are solving. Okay. So don't try to skip any of them because all of them are selective problems, and if you can learn it well, it will be very easy for your exams and entrances. Okay. So let's begin this problem. We are continuing with continuity and differentiation chapter. So tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3a x square. Limit is minus 1 by root 3 less than x by a less than 1 by root 3. Okay, so what is our first step? Y equals tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3a x square, right? Okay, so what I am doing here is, we are going to just simplify this whole thing. Okay, so for that, just see, I am assigning suppose x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, if so, what will be theta? Theta will be, if I take a here, what is that? That is going to be x by a. Okay, here it will be x by a, right? Now if I take tan to this side, what will happen? This is going to be tan inverse of x by a, right? Okay, so we have x value as a tan theta, theta as tan inverse x by a. Fine. Okay, so in place of x I am going to substitute what? Tan theta. Okay, similarly in place of a. Okay, so let's see what is the next step. So here first of all, actually there is an equation. Okay, like we have, okay, so for before telling that, we are just rearranging this given function. Like I am taking a cube as common. Okay, so we have a tan inverse. So I am taking a cube from both numerator and denominator outside. Okay, so let's see. If I am taking a cube outside, what will happen? Actually a cube is only there here, right? So if we take a cube from here, it is okay, but none of the other terms have a cube. So what we will do? So what we can do? So since it does not exist, we will just divide, right? Divide all the terms with a cube. X cube by a cube, then a cube by a cube minus 3ax square by a cube. Fine. So this will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. It will be 1. 1a will get cancelled. Will get like this. Okay. So now what is the final answer? So this will be our final answer. Again this a cube and this a cube will get cancelled. Okay, because initially we took it outside, right? Our assumption. So both will get cancelled. Now, so I am just erasing this part. Okay, now we have something, right? We have x as a tan theta. So x by a will be tan theta, right? Also, theta is tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so let's substitute that. So it is going to be y equals tan inverse of 3 tan theta, because this is x by a, minus tan cube theta, because it is x cube by a cube, divided by 1 minus 3. X square by a square means tan square theta. Okay, fine. Now see this equation, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Actually, this is equal to, we have tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So both are same, right? Yes. So we can just replace the whole thing as tan 3 theta. Okay. So y equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta, and tan inverse of tan will be 1. So this is 3 theta. Okay. Now we need to differentiate, right? Still we didn't start the differentiation. So we have theta value with us. That is tan inverse of x by a, right? Yes. Now we can differentiate. So dy by dx equal to 3 into d by dx of tan inverse x by a. Excuses. Tan inverse x by a. Okay. So there is an equation. So tan inverse of x by a means 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square by a square. That is the differentiation for tan inverse of x by a into d by dx of x by a. Okay. So what will be the answer? Equal to 3 into, so if we just do the cross multiplication, it is going to be, so cross multiplication we have learned, right? So I hope I can just write the direct answer, into d by dx of x by a will be 1 by a, because 1 by a will be the constant, and d by dx of x is 1. Okay, and this a is a constant, so our d by dx of x by a will give us 1 by a. Clear? 3a by a square, because this a and this will get cancelled, so plus x square. This will be our final answer. Okay. So let's find out dy by dx. So we cannot find out dy by dx directly from here. First of all, we have to find out dx by dt, because this variable is t, right? So we have to differentiate with respect to t first. Here it will be dy by dt. Okay, so I am just writing it as t plus 1 by t is same as t raised to minus 1, right? For the easiness of doing differentiation. Here also t minus t raised to minus 1. Okay, so when we differentiate d by dt of t plus d by dt of t minus 1. So I'll just show d by dt of t is equal to 1 plus. Now here t raised to minus 1, right? What is our rule of differentiation? That is, if t raised to minus 1, then suppose it is for your easiness, suppose this is 2. Okay, if we do d by dt of t square, what will happen? 2. So this 2 will be taken here, right? So d by dt of t square will be t square will be 2 into t raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, that is 2t. We'll get answer as 2t. Okay. Those who are attending this for the first time, for them I am explaining. Others it will be clear because I have already explained it. So here what it will be? Minus 1 into t raised to minus 1 minus 1. That is 1. So this is minus 1, right? So plus minus, that is minus. And 1 into t will be t itself. So t raised to minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. So 1 minus t raised to minus 2. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Similarly, we are doing this part. Okay. So d by dt of t minus d by dt of 1 by t, we already wrote it as t raised to minus 1, right? Okay, so this is 1 minus 1 into t raised to minus 2. Clear? So this is 1 plus minus minus plus. So t raised to minus 2. So we got two answers. That is dx by dt as 1 minus t raised to minus 2, dy by dt as 1 plus t raised to minus 2. Now t raised to minus 2 is same as 1 by t square, right? Similarly, this is same as 1 by t square. Okay, let's find out dx by dt divided by dy by dt. That is what dx by, we are supposed to find out dy by dx, right? Yes. So now we can write dy by dt divided by dx by dt that is dy by dx. Okay, so how to write that? So dy by dt is 1 plus 1 by t square divided by 1 minus 1 by t square. This thing you can just do the cross multiplication and simplify. Okay, so how to do it? So 1 plus 1 by t square divided by 1 minus 1 by t square, that is t square plus 1 by t square t square divided by t square minus 1 by t square. So this one and this one will get cancelled. Okay, so our final answer will be t square plus 1 by t square minus 1. Okay, so this is our next problem. X equal to 3 cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta, y equal 3 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. So differentiate with respect to theta in both sides. Okay, so dx by d theta, we'll do this first. Okay, so that is d by d theta of 3 cos theta minus d by d theta of 2 cos cube theta. Okay, that is 3 into, what is d by d theta of cos theta? Minus sin theta minus 2 into, because 2 is constant, into d by d theta of cos cube theta will be 3 into cos square theta into d by d theta of cos theta. Clear? Okay, so what will be the next step? So next step is going to be minus 3 sin theta. Okay, now here d by d theta of cos theta is minus sin theta, right? So that minus and this minus is getting plus. So 2 into 3, 6 cos square theta into sin theta. Okay, so dx by d theta is over. Now we are going to find out dy by d theta. That is 3 cos theta. Okay, yeah, 1 second. So yes, so our y is 3 sin. Okay, that is 3 into sin theta. D by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. I hope you remember y is equal to 3 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. We are going to differentiate this one. So minus 2 into, so sin cube theta, right? So 3 into d by sin square theta into d by d theta of sin theta, that is cos theta. So answer is 3 cos theta minus 6 sin square theta cos theta. Understand? Okay. So let's do dy by dx as we done before. So dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, that is dy by dx. Okay, so what we will do, we'll divide these two answers. So let's divide. 3 cos theta minus 6 sin square theta cos theta divided by minus 3 sin theta plus 6 cos square theta sin theta. Fine. So we can do some rearrangements here. So from here both we can take some terms outside, right? Yes. So I am writing that. So 3 cos theta we can take from the numerator. So remaining will be 1 minus sin square theta divided by bottom denominator we can take 3 sin theta outside. So the remaining is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Okay. Yes. So cos by sin is cot and 3 will get cancelled. So cot theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2 theta divided by minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta is also cos 2 theta. So both will get cancelled. So our answer will be cot theta. Okay. So all these are based on the equations only. 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos theta, minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta is also cos theta. So our answer is cot theta.